Good morning, everyone. This is Arsha, and this is Dhanvantesh Chetan. And today we are doing AI chatbot under the guidance of Sridevi ma'am. Now let us go through into the what is AI. So AI is artificial intelligence, which is combined with the uh, intelligence of the computers. So we train the models in the machine learning, and we here go through the generative AI, which is also called as Gen AI. Then we have large language model (LLM). So LLMs are basically used to create large language models for this. So next we have in LLM, we have text processing, semantics analysis, and systematic analysis. The next concept we are going through is the flowchart to explain the process of NLP. Initially, we'll have the input sentences, then we have the processing, then syntax and the analyzing part. Then lexicon and the grammars are come in the place. Then the semantics analyzing is carried out with the semantic rules. Then we have the pragmatic analysis with the conceptual information. This is the process of NLP, and today we are here to give thorough knowledge of the how to create a chatbot, AI chatbot. So initially, the folders should be in this form in the VS Code, where the AI chatbot is a folder name and app.py is a basic app we are developed in the using Python. So index.html is used for front end, and the landing page .html is used for the landing page, which we go through in the further session. Then next we have the script.js. We perform the functionalities of the AI chatbot in this, like submitting the chat or processing the chat. Next, this styling is used to give some texture and style to the website. So as you can see, app.py, here is a demonstration of the code in the app.py. So we can, as you can see, we have imported the Flask. So Flask and the Flask course and the Croc is imported through the import criterias, and the OS is also imported with the logging. Next we have as you can see, the Grok API keys are used in the using the cloud based. We have extracted the APIs from there, and we have used here in this. This is the API which we have used. Next, as you can see, we have defined a chat function. So this chat function performs that when the request is get by the JSON, the get JSON data is pushed. Then if the JSON has some questions, if it is not there, then the invalid request is performed. Next, the question is pushed to the question itself. Then the code is run by our friend Dhanvantesh, where he's going to demonstrate the full extensions of the code.
Hi, Hazar, my friend, explain it now. You know something, right? Okay. Now, style.css and app.py and then index.html, these sort of few codes which has been written in the files there. Now, app.py has some APIs, .app.root has something data and request is there. So we are coming over there, and now you can see the terminals, boards, and the post has quicks, and now we are like LLMS. Look, the laughing thing will come here. We why the full form of LLM is large language model. Here, the smile requires why. Let us make a chat conversation between the HTML itself, where you will get to know why we need to smile daily. Now, what are the APIs we are implemented over here? App.prot and then slash chat and then post and something has been commented over here directly. Send the questions to the Llama model without the restrictions. Yes. If name is equal to main, then true. That's it. And then return just simplify and then response. Look, this video is very important for the juniors who are implementing LLM model for their index.html, normal HTML, where they can make a chat conversation between the Gen AI and the user, right? So this is an important video for them itself, and hope you will like 5K just now. Yes, we will run. Uh, कहाँ है? Yes. Now, look, don't worry about this code. We will publish in GitHub. Okay, there you will get some below in the description. You can check it out.
Now we are going to go to the index.html and open with the live server. As we open the live server, the chatbot is
Now, ask your question. Yeah, you can see the AI chatbot for students. This is very important. What I'm saying. Okay. Now, like whatever the code have been shown, right? So what have been the code lines and variables have been declared over here, which recognize some continuous and interim results and language, right? So this LLM is for large language models, where you can get where you input as a prompt and you will get a output as a prompt itself, not a prompt as a like content. Now this on-speech hand has been shown over here. This is where we are implementing in the index.html. So you can watch it out like this. Ask your questions like, how are you? It's fine. Um, yeah, how are you? And it's sorry, I could not process your request at this time because the code is not been running, right? Now, I will run the code as python have.py. This is where the flags gonna be take over. Now, if I send or you, it's gonna reply as it takes some time and it will say I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm a large language model, so I don't have emotions or feelings in the same way humans do, but I'm functioning properly and ready to assist you. Right now, look, this is gonna be the great future. Now, my friend gonna continue.
There is 1V22CS03 and I will be talking about the result. Coming to the result, what all we have learned in this video is enhanced user engagement, 24/7 availability, cost efficiency, personalization, scalability, and data insight. Coming to enhanced user engagement, chatbots provide instant and iterative responses, improving user satisfaction and engagement. 24/7 availability. They can operate continuously, offering services and support without downtime. And cost efficiency. Business can reduce costs by automating customer service, reducing the need for human agents. Personalization. AI chatbots can tailor response based on user data, enhancing the user experience. Scalability. They can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, scaling demand. Data insight. Chatbots can collect valuable data on user interaction, preferences, and feedback, helping business make informed decisions.
Before moving on to the conclusion, let's learn about some of the basic applications which we can find in AI chatbot. So the first application where the AI is formed is helpful for students and for medical purposes. When it comes to students and educational purpose, chatbot plays a major role in how they interact and and get the resources. And not only that, when it comes to medical purposes, the patient can contact with the without contact with the doctor. They can use the chatbot to get the required information, and it also used for constitutional purpose, where the chatbot plays a major role in understanding the articles and stuff. So these are some of the major applications that the AI chatbot can be used to found. So when it comes to the conclusion part for the AI chatbot, so increased efficiency using the chatbot, the efficiency is increased to the extent which the whenever the request can be accepted and the output will be given so in a very quick manner. Increased accuracy. So the by the due development of many models, the accuracy has been increased from the chatbots. Many generative AI models has been developed to process the natural language processing and other stuff, and optical character recognition, and also been enhanced in the AI chatbots. And cost effectiveness. Since these many of these generative AI models are free for everyone,
The users can access these chatbots at very free stage. Mainly natural language processing. As my friend Harsha described about what natural language processing is and the flowchart on how the natural language processing works. So basically, this chatbot generates the information and converts this information into the user requirements in the required language. Now, and when the AI is a vast model, there are many predefined model within the AI. For example, deep learning and machine learning. These are the subdomains in the machine learning, subdomains of the AI. So AI is vast and mostly very helpful in the coming days. So understanding how the AI works plays a major role in how the industrial trends needs to be understood. And also after learning about the applications in the educational, constitutional and medicinal purposes, the chatbot plays a major role in how the user or the user contacts with the chatbot and gets the information. So thank you all.